of your heart contracting, right? You want the whole thing to work together to pump that blood. And so these intercalated discs, these specialized gap junctions, help coordinate those contractions. I think of the intercalated disc as the little cells saying, okay, 1, 2, 3, contract. They're like holding hands and they're like doing it together. But that's because I cartoonize a lot of things in my brain. Okay, there's also pacemaker cells that are special groups of cells in the cardiac muscle that coordinate that electrical activity. The cardiac pacemaker cells are in a very special area of the heart, and they create this autorhythmicity or this automaticity. So think about like if you walk by a rocking chair and you like knock it, that rocking chair is just going to sit there and rock for a little bit. It's kind of like what your heart does, right? There's a pacemaker that says, oh, keep rocking, right? And then it rocks for a little bit. And the pacemaker says, okay, keep rocking. So your heart can just keep beating, right? Without constant nerve stimulation, right? Whereas with our skeletal muscles, we needed a motor neuron to tell our muscle to contract. You need a motor neuron or a hormone or a local factor to tell your smooth muscle to contract. Your cardiac muscle can kind of contract on its own. It can, as long as all the ingredients are there, they can contract on their own. Oh, that's it. I love cardiac physiology is my favorite, so I was hoping there was more, but that's okay. So that's where we'll leave off. I want to show you a couple things because I still have 7 minutes, and this is super valuable, especially if you have not yet seen Mastering A&P. So I showed some of you guys last night Mastering A&P for lab stuff. I want to show you Mastering A&P for lecture stuff, okay? So student resources, Mastering A&P. So there's a study area by chapter, right? There's the e-text, there's the lab manual piece, right? I've showed you that. But have you tried the practice tests and practice quizzes? Those are cool. They auto-grade, right? So it can give you automatic results. You want to know how you're doing? Go in there, right? There's animations and videos, right? Lots of them. Interactive physiology. I love this stuff because the physiology in chapter 10 was intense. Check it out. Neuromuscular junction animation, excitation contraction animation. You don't understand the cross-bridge cycle? Boom, there you go. Right? They're all right here. Muscle metabolism. You're confused about what's the difference between glycolytic oxidation and all this catabolism and creatine phosphate. It's right there, okay? More. There's more. More, I say. There's lots more. Check out the active learning workbook. When I saw this, I was like, what? I already downloaded it, so here it is. It downloads as a zip file, literally. Let me pull up something like this. I think it's grouped by chapter, so that's chapter 3. Let's pull up. Oops. What do we want to do? Chapter 10. So come down here. I think that's what the C is, like C10, C9, C8. That's like chapter. Chapter 10. Are you ready to be blown away? Boom! A whole workbook thing. So the workbook was sold separately, and some of you had asked me about it at the beginning of class. Yeah, it's right here in Mastering A&P for you. And if you want to do it, take a picture of it and text it to me on Remind. Did I do this right? Check my answers. Help me with this. What's number 1? Right? All of this is here for you to help you study. Okay? Lots and lots. I mean, it's still going. it's a lot here. Okay? Still going. Okay, stop. All right, what else is here? So, additional study tools. So get ready for A&P. This is all review type stuff. But this is really, really cool. The animations and videos, AP Play. This is the same sort of thing. So this is going to come in handy. Actions, origins, and insertions. Right? Muscle actions and joints. That's going to come in handy for your next practical right there on Mastering A&P. So just wanted to show those things to you because I think they're really valuable. And you've already paid for them. If you bought a new textbook, it came with the code. Use it. All right. You guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you on